Let's cook Spaetzle. In a large saucepan, bring salted water to a boil. Stir in the Spaetzle and boil uncovered as per package directions. Continue with the recipe while the Spaetzle cooks. Prep the ingredients. Open and drain the sauerkraut, set aside. Drain and rinse the Spaetzle in a colander. Shake off excess water. The Spaetzle should be dry for the next step, pat dry if needed. Sauté the sausage in a large skillet on medium-high for 2 to 3 minutes. Slice into quarter-inch medallions and set aside. Heat butter or oil in the same pan over medium-high. Add the cooked Spaetzle, toss to coat, and cook until golden brown. No need to stir constantly. Enjoy your beverage instead. Add half of the sauerkraut and the sautéed sausage, then cook for another 2 minutes to combine and warm up. Divide between plates and enjoy with sauerkraut, mustard, and an optional Oktoberfest beer or apple cider. Garnish with fresh parsley. Guten Appetit!